Hello, and welcome to the English with Shadowing the podcast. To succeed in the workplace, you need more than just technical skills. You also need to communicate effectively and build strong relationships with your colleagues. Today, we'll focus on the first words of the workday, the seemingly simple phrases that are crucial for making a positive impression and starting conversations. The goal of this part is to help you feel confident in initiating conversations, checking in with colleagues, and making natural small talk. Getting comfortable with these phrases will make your communication smoother, which in turn helps build a more friendly and open work environment. Get ready. Take a deep breath, focus, and use the shadowing technique to repeat each sentence loudly and clearly. Greetings and small talk. These are the essential phrases for daily greetings and casual conversations. Using them shows you are approachable and engaged with your team. Good morning, everyone. How was your weekend? I hope you had a great day off. Did you watch the game last night? The weather is beautiful today, isn't it? Anything interesting happen lately? Collaboration and asking for favors. Asking for and offering help is a key part of teamwork. Learning to do this politely and professionally is a valuable skill. Could you please send me the final report? Do you have a moment to talk about the project? Would you mind taking a look at this email before I send it? I'd appreciate it if you could help me with this task. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help. Task management and reporting. These phrases are for updating your team and managing your workload. They help you sound organized and reliable. I have to finish this report by noon. I'm currently working on a presentation for the team. I'll send you an update on the progress. We're on track to meet our deadline. I need to prioritize these tasks. Part 2. Participating in meetings and professional opinions. To become an effective communicator, you need to be able to present your ideas clearly and persuasively in meetings. This part focuses on phrases that help you state your opinion, discuss, and give feedback professionally. The goal of this section is to help you overcome the fear of public speaking and turn meetings into opportunities to shine. Use the shadowing technique to learn how to articulate your ideas clearly, confidently, and professionally. Speak loudly, clearly, and with confidence, as if you were in an important meeting. Starting and ending a meeting. These sentences help you professionally control a meeting, from welcoming everyone to summarizing and concluding. Thank you all for coming. Let's get started. We are here today to discuss the Q3 marketing strategy. The purpose of this meeting is to finalize our plan. To summarize, our main goal is to increase customer engagement. Thank you for your valuable time and input. That's all for today. Let's wrap up. Contributing and expressing opinions. These are the sentences that help you state your opinion politely and persuasively and invite feedback from others. From my perspective, this is a great opportunity. I believe we should focus on digital advertising. I agree with colleagues' names' point about the budget. On the other hand, we should also consider the potential risks. What are your thoughts on this? Could you elaborate on that? Let me play devil's advocate for a moment. Problem solving and giving feedback. These sentences help you handle difficult situations, give constructive feedback, and find solutions with colleagues. I've noticed a small issue with the project timeline. How can we work together to solve this problem? I understand your concern, and I will look into it immediately. I appreciate your honesty. Could we discuss this further after the meeting? Your feedback is very helpful. This is a learning opportunity for us. Part 3. Professional communication via phone and email. In a modern workplace, communication via email and phone is crucial. This part will help you master these skills, from answering the phone professionally to drafting polite and effective emails. The goal of this section is to help you make a good impression and convey your message clearly and accurately, avoiding any misunderstandings. Read these sentences aloud, imagining you are actually using them. On the phone, hello, this is your name from your company. How may I help you? I'm calling to follow up on the proposal you sent last week. Would you mind holding for a moment? I'll transfer your call to colleague's name. Thank you for calling. Have a great day. Writing effective emails. I am writing to follow up on our discussion. Please find the attached report for your review. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you for your cooperation. Could you please provide an update on your progress? Best regards. Sincerely, you've done a great job. Remember, the secret to success isn't knowing everything all at once, but in consistent and dedicated effort. Keep believing in yourself, and I'll see you in the next episode.